Hello and welcome to Learn Code Read. Today I will cover lesson 6 of the Pre-Reader Express course. In this lesson, we are going to learn about loops with Scrat. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. To watch previous videos of this series, click on the link above. Let's begin with the lesson. I hope you have logged in first. Okay, let's begin. Help Scrat across the slippery ice to get to the acorn. Okay. If you have remember, we have completed a lesson with Scrat on sequencing. That's lesson 2. Now we are doing loops with Scrat. Okay. So first of all, what is loop? Loop means repeat the same action or task multiple times. For example, in this case, when Scrat move toward east direction multiple times, that means it is repeating the same task, same action. So first of all, what we need to do? We need to count the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to reach to the acorn. Now here you can drag 5 times east block or you can use this repeat block. I'll start with repeat block. We have counted it for 5 times, so here we'll set it to 5. And now I'll put this east block here. This code is same as, let me show you the difference or how similar they are. Yeah. So this, using these 3 blocks we can achieve that same thing you can achieve with this 5 blocks. But this is the better in terms of coding practices. Now let's run it. I'll replay. I want to show you something. You just wrote 2 lines of code. Okay, replay. Now let me show you code. Here the code is for loop and one time ist method is called. Okay. If I remove this code and put this code here, let me reset it and I'll show you code. So here multiple time they have put move ist method instead of this for loop. Okay. Now let's run it. It will do the same job. But did you notice that previously it was 2 lines and now it is 5 lines. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 2. Let's read the instructions. Use both west and south blocks to get to the acorn. So first, Scrat has to move towards west. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks towards west. And then after reaching here, 1 and 2 times south. So let's start with repeat block. 5 times west and 2 times south. So if you use repeat block, set it to 2 and then put south block, that will also considered as a 2 blocks. Instead, I am putting right away 2 blocks, south blocks. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 4 because puzzle 3 is a video about loop. So I'll continue here. Can you get to the icon with just one west block? Try using a loop. We have already started using repeat block. Here's something new. The numbers on left top corner. So these are the indication how many times you can use this block. Let's drag repeat. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times west. Now it will become 0 because we have already used this block. Let's run it. Continue to puzzle 5. Add one more block to get Scrat all the way to the icon. Okay, let's see what is there already. Repeat block 4 times east. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then Scrat has to move down. Down is south. Look at this arrow. This is down arrow, right? So we'll drag this. We need to count. After reaching here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it. Let's run. Let's continue to puzzle 6. Can you add a loop to get to the icon? Okay, let's see what is already there. 2 repeat loops with east and south. 1, 2, 3, 4 times east. 1, 2, 3, 4 times south. After reaching here, Scrat has to move towards west. That is left. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Let's drag the repeat block and put the west block inside and run it. Let's continue to puzzle 7. Scrat really wants that icon. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps down, that is south. Let's drag the repeat block and south. It is already set to 4. After reaching here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times again left, that is west block, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times up, that is north block. Okay, I think we are good to go. Let's run it. Let's continue to puzzle 8. Here we need to fix this code. So first we need to count the steps how Scrat will reach to icon. Then we'll look into this code and then we'll able to identify what is the mistake or issue here. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3 steps right, that is east. 3 east, perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times up, that is north. Okay, 5 times north. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 times west. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 times south. So 3 times east, 5 times north, but here it is 3. So we need to change this from 3 to 5. Then 4 times After reaching here, 4 times west. After reaching here, 4 times south. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So everything is perfect now. Let's run it. Okay, let's continue to puzzle 9. The acorn is so far away. Can you use loops to help Scrat get there? Let's do that. First counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times right, that is east. After reaching here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times south. Let's do this, otherwise we'll forget how many steps we have counted for each direction. So it is better to parallelly code as well. After reaching here, 1, 2, 3 times west. First we need to set it to 3 and then drag the block. Then after reaching here, 1, 2, 3 times north. I'm sure you guys wondering why we can't go like this and then jump to acorn. But these are the slippery ice. We can't jump on it. If we jump on it, we will fall in sea. And that's why we have to go from this path. Okay, let's run it. We did it. Let's move to puzzle 10. Puzzle 10 is a challenge. Let's face this challenge. I am ready for it. Help Scrat get all the way over to the acorn. Oh, it's a long path, like a zigzag. First go down, then west, then up, then again west and then down. Okay, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times south. 1, 2. 2 times west. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times north. 2 times west. Don't forget to change this to 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times south. That's it. Let's run it. Challenge completed. Okay, continue. Help Scrat get to the acorn. First, Scrat will move left, that is west direction, then up, then east, and then up. Okay. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Set this to 4 times. Move the direction. 1, 2. 2 times east. Sorry, 2 times north. then after reaching here, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times east direction, and then after reaching here 1 and 2 north, 1 and 2. Here let me do one thing. So this way or this way, both will work, and it is a same significance. Okay, let's run it. If you are doing this course, my advice is first see the video and then do it yourself, the entire lesson. Okay, let's continue to last puzzle, that is 12th puzzle. Get to the acorn any way you can. So this is like a play area. You can move anywhere and you have to reach acorn. So you can go up and then east, you can go east and then up, or you can do zigzag like one east, then north, east, north, east, north. Because we can use infinity blocks. You can use as many blocks as you want. So I will do it zigzag manner, that is one time east and then north, and the same pattern I need to repeat for east, north, east, north, east, north, east, north, east, north, that is for 5 times. So I'll put here 5 times, first east and then north. Okay, so I am using only 4 blocks. Let's run it. Hooray, Scrat, get the acorn. Okay, let's continue. I think we are done with this lesson. The next lesson is about loops with Laurel. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel. See you all in next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Thanks for watching.